She's gonna get the very best of me. Give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try.
I'm eating my morning breakfast, fruit and frosted flakes. Why the beach party is early?
I don't know. City of Tulum. Let me go on up here and get this right here.
There's a long line. We could have been first. Just stepping off the boat. I'm excited. It's too early for my mom. It's not too early for me. It's not too early for me. I'm excited. And watch, my hair is going to dry so pretty. Now we are in Cozumel. And we're about to take a bus, a 45-minute bus to Tulum.
Take a ferry.
Oh, a ferry. Oh, that one. We're taking that ferry to Tulum. Okay, this is the original Fat Tuesdays frozen daiquiris. Free samples. On the way to Tulum. We left one boat to go to another boat. We had to walk all the way around just to...
I know, right? Give me a ferry to the ferry.
Okay, this is the one. Welcome. Thank you, amiga. Welcome. Thank you very much. Señores, this is what we consider the heart of all the Mayan Riviera. Now, we call the Mayan Riviera in Mexico all the hotels there on the east coast of the Yucatan Peninsula between Cancun, 1 hour north, and Tulum. Where we're going, this is 1 hour south. So right now we're right in the middle. So we're going to start traveling north to south over the east coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. Señores, we'll be taking hopefully 45 minutes, well, between 45 minutes to an hour to get to Tulum. Second, it's a place that we call Chichen Itza. This place used to be the capital of all this Mayan Empire and all that. And the third place is a place that is near Mexico City. We call that Teotihuacan. This place ain't got nothing to do with this Mayan culture. This place used to be the Aztec.
Stay right next to it. Alright guys, so this is the ancient city of Tulum. It's so beautiful. It took us 2 hours to get here from our boat. So this was not like a short, oh, we just want to see this. I really wanted to see this really bad. So we took a boat over. Then we took a bus to even get here. So the travel back is also 2 hours. About to see what food we can find. We took our pictures. It's really pretty. We have a beach day tomorrow, so we're not really like, oh, we gotta go to the beach today. Since the beach day is tomorrow, we're going 4 hours to another place in Mexico.
One of the most important trading ports that that's right here. Okay. Now, human body, if we don't give him enough to eat, señores, automatically is going to turn into a kind of economy. That's to absorb the few food that you give it. That what the generations can make, one or two, weaker or smaller people. Remember, the Spanish came and stayed here only 300 years, okay? But that is not the main reason, because as I was telling you, we also got, this one is called, well, we also got doors. The one is over here. We got some of the doors are very short. So why is that? Okay, this got a religious matter. Are you religious people? You go any church of temple? See? Okay. What is the first thing that we're supposed to do when we get on a church? Bow, kneel, make a reverence, show respect to the place, right? Okay. That was the reason, señores, to force some of these people to make a reverence before getting into the ceremonial place. That's something that only the medium and low class have to do. Royalty didn't have to do that. So that's why you find two different kind of entries. All the toll was they were assigned for the royalty, and the show what they were assigned for the medium and the low class. Okay? Okay. Now, we got an excellent view from Tulum. Now, remember that I told you, señores, that they call it the wall city because the big wall that surrounds the place. Okay? We can see almost the whole wall from here. Señores, we have to get up there to see.
Wait, is these the doors they were talking about? Dang. Gotta bow down like that. So right now, we're on our quest for food. I saw at one point you was going, you was trying to get some air.
Hammer time.
Hammer time. Some food, some air conditioning, got some Caesar salad for starters. Me and my mom gonna share.
I'm thinking I have to sit down. I can't sit up high like that on the way back. Maybe that's what my problem is.
Sit in the bottom. Day has been a long day. Closing out, we're at a bar. They have little swings.
Hey guys, for the picture, hi from here.
No, thank you.
Little.
Just woke up from my nap from the bus, y'all. So tired. And we have 45 minutes on the boat to get back to the big boat. Alright guys, my mom's sitting at the bottom of the boat with the bar and stuff, but about to go upstairs.
Deeper dive, deeper, yeah, dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, deeper, yeah, dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues.
Ready for dinner. Tonight is the Motown party, and guess what? Does my mom have an outfit for Motown? No. No, she don't. And do I? No, I don't. We don't have no themes. It's okay. So I'm just being really casual today. Tomorrow's a beach day. We have to wake up really early tomorrow too. So I just was like, you know what? Let me just do a chill night. Super excited to eat. So we are headed to dinner. Cleaned up, freshed up. Cleaned up, freshed up. Today was a long day, wasn't it, Ma? Yes. Okay, let me see.
It is a lot. And so it's a modified, so you want to just create a program. It's not going to be 5 exams and stuff like that.
Appetizer, Greek salad, and cocktail shrimp. My mom copied me for dinner tonight. It's okay. That just means our taste buds is similar. Woo, I get it from my mama. You get that corniness from your mama. And I made the joke I won't plan. I picked out all my little peppers. Look at my mama salad. Look. This don't make no sense. You got a few leaves left, Mom.
I ain't got no salad.
At least I had more leaves. I ain't have that much pepper. Oh, let me cut it. Tonight's dinner is steak and potatoes, salmon and vegetables. Cheese and then sour cream.
Without bacon.
Yes, no bacon. A little bit more sour cream. We have some snacks. They have a movie on. Everybody's kind of chillaxing. The sun is setting. Good morning, guys. All right, day 2 off the boat. So we're getting off the boat. The water looks so pretty. It's a beach day. It's a beach day. The water looks a lot prettier here, doesn't it?
Than yesterday. It could have been the port. Around a lot of seaweed.
Yeah, that's true. The water looks so like clear and blue and pretty. I'm excited. You know where we supposed to meet at?
At the end of the pier.
Oh, I was about to make us late. I wanted to have a little bit more breakfast this morning.
Miss, I don't eat breakfast.
Well, Ma, we woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. Technically, we've been up long enough to eat breakfast. But I don't eat breakfast like that.
Second set of, you had 2 boiled eggs, bacon, grits, and fruit.
Well, I guess I haven't had boiled eggs in so long. It was kind of good. To the beach resort, bus to the beach resort.
biscuits, amiga, please.
Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try. If we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah.
It's a big resort. You're gonna love it because it's really only for you guys. Wi-Fi is free. 7 Seas. Listen, 7 Seas are boiled. Or if you're gonna drink, just drink one. Because let's see if we can wrap it up. What I say, 7 in one drink.
Just entered the resort. Yes, we are in Yucatan. Ooh, you can go down here and sit. It's super cute in here. Ooh, we got this resort for the day. Hey, hey. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, hey, hey. There's some watermelon. What's this fruit punch?
Watermelon drink. I don't think it has alcohol. It's good.
I don't want much. You want to try some lime? Yeah. It tastes like watermelon. That good or bad?
I don't think I like watermelon.
Real watermelon. Or at least we got cucumbers and tomatoes for when we want a salad. Yeah. We found our little spot on the beach. I have a electric lemonade. Cheers. Oh, good stuff. Cheers! Sign up!
Is she on the top? Are you on the top? Oh, okay.
It's not that bad. Girl.
A girl. A girl. Okay. I think she's a boy. Okay. Well, I have a tomboy. Can't be mad at that. I can't get a little tomboy.